Imagine a place you can go to where all your worries and problems can go away for just a little while. Introducing the Evergreen Hotel, a proposed 5-star resort hotel situated in Tagaytay City near the province of Cavite. Here, the goal of the project is to bring world-class luxury and hospitality in Tagaytay, while also the development of a hotel and resort with 5-star facilities and amenities, while also adhering to local climate conditions and environmentally sustainable principles. The design concept is tropical architecture. Because of the unique physical qualities of the site, situated on top of a mountain range, it is apt to design the building in such a way that complements and maximizes upon these physical qualities, like the development of natural ventilation on a vertical opening inside the building, while also the usage of sustainable materials like wood and bamboo in aesthetics. The form concept is the caldera. In developing the massing of the building, I've used the shape of the caldera as a basis for the design. I've created this vertical opening inside the building so that I could provide natural ventilation where hot air rises and cold air goes down, so that it could be cool inside, lowering maintenance costs. For the inspirations of the site, the first is the Monarch Hotel, primarily because I went there and it is classified as a 3-star hotel, which is very helpful in determining the 5-star qualities of the proposed hotel. The second is the One Haitang Bay Hotel. Lastly, the Sinhorn Kempinski Hotel, for the form and also the general shape and feeling of the building. Some of the sketches that I went through throughout the design process. First, I was thinking about the flow of the buildings, the flow of the guest rooms, the general circulation, was the development of the roof, the general shape and outline of the roof. Another was the bubble diagrams, determining the general locations and spaces that needed to be together and needed to not be together. And also in this section here, I was also trying to figure out the general circulation of the road, which one will be one way, which one will go the other way. And also here are some sketches on the more bubble diagrams for the second and third and fourth floor of the building. Now here are some general design principles. The first here is ventilation. Here I've created a vertical opening within the site, taking upon the inspiration of caldera. Inside the building of the proposed hotel, I've created a vertical opening so that natural ventilation can easily occur, and also it makes for a very nice visual aesthetic in the lobby of the building. Another one is the aesthetics and views. It was very important that all of the guest rooms have all the same view of Taal Volcano and of the lake. What I've done here is to utilize single loaded corridors. There will be a guest room on one side, and immediately beside it will be the hallway for general passage and circulation. In this hotel, there are 25 rooms per each floor, making it for a total of 8 floors with around 15 deluxe rooms and 10 suite rooms. All of the rooms have views on this side, while have general circulation and access on this side. And so to maximize and to fulfill the design requirements, all of the rooms are facing the same way and also are on single loaded corridors. For energy efficiency, I've decided that gray water recycling will be the best use for this kind of building because of the amount of showers, toilets, the massive laundry room. The recycled gray water can then be used for the watering of plants and also for the flushing of toilets. The first one is for vertical fins at the east facade. Since this side of the building faces east, it was best that there should be some solar shading at this side. And so I placed vertical fins on the walls while also maintaining privacy for the guests. Another one here is the open atrium at the main lobby. Now this is where the idea of the vertical opening comes in. I've opened this up where the main lobby is so that 1, for aesthetics, and 2, for natural ventilation. The warm air can flow outside the building, while also making it a focal point and a point of reference for anyone who is a guest at this hotel. Now here's another view of the single loaded corridor I was talking about earlier, and here's the vertical fins. The fins provide shade while also privacy, while also at the same time allowing in some cool air from outside. Another feature here is the inclusion of the infinity pool at the second floor of the building. I've also made it a point to include a lounge area right beside the swimming pool. Here, because of the circulation being single loaded corridors, I pushed the massing here right here and subtracted a huge chunk of the massing here to provide also sort of rooftop garden for the guests here, while also maintaining that view to Taal Lake. And lastly, here is a general idea of what the deluxe guest room will be like. And so this is the end of the presentation.